for the A-plane. So let's horse around like the Trojans, like forces on when it's
As Irish artists, obviously Electric Picnic is the biggest festival we have. Does that mean that when you've hit this momentous occasion, do you just feel like I've made it now?
Yeah, I mean, it's something you dream of. It's something you like print and put on your walls, you know what I mean? Especially when your name goes from this size to this size, yeah, do you know what I mean? Like, because the festival is so large, as your career goes on, you get to progress through the festival, you know what I mean? You get to play this small stage, and then play the Electric Arena. It's a big deal to me.
And is this by far the biggest gig you've ever played?
Yes. The capacity is like 12,000. I can't even imagine 12,000 people. I know like 4 people in my life, you know what I mean?
Do you ever get nervous before a big gig like this?
My move is to not even look at the crowd until I'm getting on stage, so I don't really get nervous until I get on stage and I'm like, oh, I'm already here now. And just dance the nerves away.
Okay.
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
good night, we could yell at the very best of luck.
Good. Slong of all.
Your 2BX boyfriend is scared of any kid over 6 in it. That's a little more than slightly embarrassing. Ask my mom, the prettiest. So welcome to ready. How's this 6 in the morning? You don't like, you just got ready. I just hit the one murder duck. I'm hearing screams like on television. You on the telly. I've been drinking and drinking and drinking and drinking. So now let's go and spinning. I'll go to war with your mommy, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your dog. I got feelings and you got some feelings. I'm bugging. I want to see you in there. I want to see you in there. Just cause I don't mean I know your name. This man was made to cry. Let me get this man open up. 1, 2, 1, shake.